Welcome to Study Point. Here we are discussing some important questions of e-commerce. Our first question is, what is another name for office supplies? Given options are A. Direct materials, B. Indirect materials, C. EDI, D. None of the above. Your correct answer is option B. Indirect materials. Next question. What is the process in which a buyer puts its interest in buying a certain quantity of items and sellers compete for the business by submitting successively lower bids until there is only one seller left? Given options are option A. B2B marketplace, C. Intranet, C. Reverse, option D. Internet. Here correct answer is option C. Reverse option. Next question. What are plastic cards the size of a credit card that contains an embedded chip on which digital information can be stored? Here given options are option A. Customer Relationship Management System cards, B. E-Government Identity cards, C. FEDI cards, D. Smart cards. Here correct answer is option D. Smart cards. Next question. Most individuals are familiar with which form of e-commerce? Given options are A. B2B, business to business, B. B2C, business to consumer, C. C2B, consumer to business, D. Consumer to consumer. So your correct answer is B2C, business to consumer. Next question. Which form of e-commerce currently accounts for about 97% of all e-commerce revenues? Given options are B2B, B2C, C2B, C2C. Your correct answer is option A, B2B. Which of the following are advantages normally associated with B2B e-commerce? Given options are A. Shorter cycle times, B. Reduction in cost, C. Reaches wider audiences, D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Next question. If the threat of substitute products or services is low, it is A or N. Given options are A. Disadvantage to the supplier, B. Advantage to the buyer, C. Advantage to the supplier, D. None of the above. Your correct answer is option C. Advantage to the supplier. Next question. The threat of new entrant is high when it is. Given options are A. Hard for customers to enter the market, B. Hard for competitors to enter the market, C. Easy for competitors to enter the market, D. Easy for customers to enter the market. Here correct answer is option C. Easy for competitors to enter the market. Next question. If it is easy for competitors to enter the market, the threat of new entrants is considered dash. Given options are A. High, B. Low, C. More, D. Less. Here correct answer is option A. High. Next question. An industry is less attractive for suppliers when the rivalry among existing competitors is. Given options are A. High, B. Low, C. More, D. Less. Here correct answer is High. Option A, high. Thank you.